Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So there's been a number of videos coming to surface. I've just seen one from the Island Stacker. I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you want to check out his video on this same topic. But there's been a number of news articles, and I also saw it on the news on the TV as well last night. Now, we're not sure yet if this is a security feature or whether it's a mistake and it wasn't meant to be put there, but it's just kind of what it looks like. But let me know what you think in the comment section. Had you already noticed this, or is this new information to you? And do you think that the artist put it there on purpose, or do you think that it was just kind of a mistake and it just looks like it's hidden in the image? So I'm just going to scroll through a news article on it now to show you the kind of things that people are saying. So, hidden image spotted in the new coins featuring King Charles. Can you see it? And feel free to pause this at any point if you want to read it. But you can see there that there is a bird outline on King Charles's ear. Now, like I said, they're not sure if this was put in there on purpose by Martin Jennings, who is the artist, or whether this is just kind of one of those things that, like an Easter egg, that looks like it's a bird, but really it's just kind of how it looks. So let's get a coin up closer for you to have a look at, and then you can kind of make your own mind on it. So if you look at his earlobe, you can see it looks like there's a bird sitting there. That's very, very hard to see. Personally, I think when a statement is released officially about this, it will come to light that this wasn't put there on purpose, because I think it is not clear enough to kind of actually be a bird. I think it's just his earlobe and it looks like a bird, but I could be wrong. It'll be interesting to see. Let me know in the comment section, do you think that was left there on purpose as like a security feature or like an Easter egg? Or do you think it is just his earlobe and it happens to look like the outline of a bird? So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.